Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ram 2500 in a Power Wagon trim, powered by a 6.4-liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And with the Power Wagon, you do get a winch mounted here in behind the front bumper, sitting on Fox shocks in the front and rear. Base color is black, but it does have a matte iridescent wrap on it, giving it sort of orange, green, and purples depending which angle you look at it from. Does have mud flaps on the front and rear and running boards down below, as well as a hardtop tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected. Let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. You have a fold-out cargo platform, and then underneath that you have storage cubbies. Then underneath the mat on either side, you have some deep storage bins there as well. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more down in the middle there. And then you have two USBs, 115-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 37,376 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and your manual gear shift buttons. And then on the left, you have your phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, vehicle infos, tire pressures, for example, oil temperatures, sort of service information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, trip A and B information, your towing status, your now playing messages such as warnings, and then screen setup in general. You also have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary capable, so you have a ton of options there. And then you have your seat controls, because you do have heated and air-conditioned front seats and a heated steering wheel. You have your digital climate controls with dual-zone front climate, app screen, so basically just all your controls in one place, a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, Bluetooth phone controls, and then your backup camera access. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, so that's pretty cool too. Moving to the left and right, you have your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then you have your media controls. Above that, you have your hazards and a 12-volt power outlet. You do also have a premium Alpine sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your trailer brake controller, traction control shutoff, tow haul mode button, front and rear park assist sensor shut off, and then to the left you have your main shifter on a dial. You do have front and rear, or rear and front locking differentials, so that's pretty cool. Hill descent assist, and I believe a sway bar disconnect, so that's cool as well. Moving down, you have two USBs, two USB-Cs, auxiliary, and another 115-volt power outlet, as well as this shelf here. You have your 4x4 shifter manually on the floor, very convenient. And then you have your center console area, where you have three cup holders and your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room, and another USB inside here. But this does flip up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And I believe there is another compartment underneath that for your CD player, which I did not know about, so you can also listen to your CDs in this truck. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.